Hello everyone, ABAQUS Tutorial Lesson 52. Apply processing to strand by cooling method. Zero basics is very easy to study. Part 1, Part 2, strand. Cooling method apply processing. Do you understand? Okay. This is my WeChat. I hope you download WeChat. Briefly contact me. Okay, let's go. Open your software. To file. Okay. Close. Yes. Create part 1. Millimeter units. N. Okay. Strand. 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 Yes. Wire. Okay. Material. Expansion. Because cooling method, you need give expansion value. Minor 5. Okay. Beam truss. Okay, default. Cut 1, 2. Oh. You need create a circle. The strand. I'm placing beam circle surface. Select this surface. Done. Right. Okay, create a circle, small circle. Area is 1. The radius is, let me calculate. Pi 1 divide pi 0.5. Radius, this value. Copy. Enter. Okay, finish. Select this line. Done. To a long direction. You need attention. Direction. Yes. Note this direction. Okay. Pay attention. Great. Finished. Give material. Okay. Assembly. Move. Done. First point. Second point. Okay. Another part. Done. 1. Okay. Move. The first point. The second point. Okay. Stay static journal. No problem. Interaction is very important. Pay attention. Strand. Okay. MPC constraint. Continue. Select this point. Okay. The surface is the circle surface. Done. Okay. The same operation. Trend. Okay. Finished. Okay. Mesh. Whew. Okay. Okay, you should change beam to truss. Don't forget. Okay, give the temperature. Prefined field 1 temperature initial temperature 0. Okay, step 1 change modified, for example for minor 400. The value you need to exactly calculate. The different value, the stress is different, pre-stress is different. Okay, do you understand? Okay, the boundary, this surface, don't move. Okay, everything is done. Calculate. Submit. Just wait. Very quickly results. Okay, no problem. So the beam profiles. Okay. No problem. Okay, I hope you're happy. The class is over. If you have any question, you should better download WeChat. Bravely contact me. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.